Welcome to Kentucky. We deal with friendship. We love to get along. Kentucky loves each other. I love you, Kentucky.
Man when the rest was ashamed to be happy head and all, ain't no change in me. So rough it was, downright wrong, I tell you. Nobody never gave us nothing. The tough time, it made us something different. Stretch the road, new something to see. Every state on the map, a different something to eat. Taps and handshakes, it meant nothing for real. Everybody making the killing, man, showing no feelings. Walking off collective pay is the way of the world. Can't change it, so I guess I'm gonna pray for the world. Sometimes I ask myself, was I made for the world? I scream this to you, and I say to the world, nappy then, nappy now, nappy for a bit. Knee deep, head over heels in this country.
All my life been poor, but it really don't matter no more. And they wonder why we act this way. Nappy boys gon' be okay.
I've been here all my life.
Everybody gets to know everybody.
Down home, good old-fashioned people.
It's country. I like it.
There's nothing better than that, man.
I just love Kentucky.
All my life been poor, but it really don't matter no more. And they wonder why we act this way. Nappy roots gon' be okay.
Even though I picture better days, I'm thankful for the chance I got to say amen. The Lord done blessed me with his grace. I wish this day would never end. We represent the slum. Where we from, we built it on. Falling short off on these presidents and hard times that go and come. Some take a fall without the chance to make it at all. Who would have thought skinny be the one that's making this call? Lord, help me out, tell me where I went wrong. I'm trying to find the righteous path, although it's narrow and long. I gotta do it for my son's sake, telling me dad'll be strong. We gonna make it through these hard times, even though they go and they come. You're absolutely right, but something happened to me on last Tuesday night, as plain as day, man. They with this world trade, no, brave ain't the word I'm looking for, ya. Better make it hope when nothing seems to matter. That's when, see, everything can go any which way. Look at me, folks, see the Henny with the J, front post chillin', bro. Country folk, man, I'm nappy in my ways, yo.
I've been poor, but it really don't matter no more. And they wonder why we act this way. Nappy boys gon' be okay. We're gonna be okay. I've been poor, but it really don't matter no more. And they wonder why we act this way. Nappy roots gon' be okay.
It's a blessing we woke up this morning. All my colorful stressing, come, let's join hands. Got to cope with the pressures of being poor, man. Papa taught me in order to survive for no man. Nappy blossom from the root, henceforth we gon' stand. Prophet grew from a juvenile to a grown man. You gotta take responsibility for your own, man. Zoning, too blind to moaning by sunrise. Sometimes I love to hear my woman moaning. It's on again. Damn, I hope he play this song again. The soul cleansing, the melody just rev my engine. Tried a lot of things, but usually just appending my ligaments. Searching for Benjamins. All my folks locked in the tenements, and it don't make any sense. Why? Children is innocent, broadcasting from the slum. That's why I'm writing these sentences along my income. Why? Go ahead, finish
All my life I've been poor, but it really don't matter no more. And they wonder why we act this way. Nappy boys gon' be okay. All my life I've been poor, but it really don't matter no more. And they wonder why we act this way. Nappy roots gon' be okay. I didn't know there'd be troubles along the way. Nobody told me nothing. Nobody told me nothing. Nothing.
class. 30 different teachers, over 10,000 different peers. And I done fought in everyone, been suspended every time. Besides a few a felony and committed dirty crime. But never bragging, no, just want you to see me where I done been. I'm never proud of it, so I don't have to go back there again. And I used to go like house to house, sleeping on couch to couch, walk around sticking out my hands, looking for a handout. Only thing I handed out was more bills. Only thing pulled me out was my will. God told me that something don't chill, determined to make use of one of these skills. He ain't gotta go beat the block. Ain't no way you can beat the cops. Ain't no way I can beat the clock. Just a matter of time. Shut down your shop. Oh, you stay up being nice, living this way of life. I was young and restless, all my children came and then I had a guy in life. No more that sitting, man, sitting and waiting and thinking somebody coming to take me up off the streets, but now I knew.
Nobody told me that the road would be easy. I don't believe I made it this far. My whole life, man, I've been working so hard, and I know nobody told me that the road would be easy. I can't believe I made it this far. My whole life, man, I've been working so hard, and I know.
I can tell you right now, I'm saying I can sit here and count on one hand how many people see me graduate. I know a few that did, but a bunch that ain't. Same folks showing up in swarms, waiting for me to go on. Wanna see the elite perform. What was this support before? I became this household name. I was playing them little league games. Nobody cared if I go 0 for 3. Nobody out here room for me. My mama supported me in everything. Why she get everything? Some people got the nerve to ask, y'all kiss my ass, and that's my mama. Got a sister that need my help, and it can't be solved with wealth. Give anything that I have just to see you're in perfect health. Now we out here complaining. I got work to do. How bad you think you got it? Somebody else got it worse than you. I done had them down and ups and don't plan on coming back down. Don't plan on leaving her no time soon. Why they got too comfortable now? Wouldn't have no knowledge of wealth without no knowledge of self. And I'ma keep walking this road. My mind, body, and soul. I know.
Nobody told me that the road would be